Today I am going to discuss about the concept of a block diagram of the digital computer. Mm, Below the diagram shows the components of digital computer: input unit, storage unit, primary and secondary memory, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and output unit. What is input unit? The input unit is refers to the receive the data in computer. Example of input devices: scanner, computer, keyboard, mouse, digital camera, and web camera. What is storage unit? The storage unit is the part of the computer system which is the employed to store the informations, instructions, and file and folders. Is called processed, is um, is called as a um, storage unit. Next, the various devices can be divided into two main categories. One is the primary memory. Primary memory is considered as the main memory. The secondary memory is considered as a auxiliary memory. What is primary memory? The primary memory is considered as the main memory. The primary memory is the section of the computer memory. The CPU is directly accessible. Primary memory is the considered as a temporary memory. The primary memory made on a semiconductors, and primary memory as the volatile in nature. Primary memory is a faster speed to processing. Why you are considered as the primary memory is the main memory? The primary memory is the stores the data is internally, and because of the consider as the primary memory is the main memory. The secondary memory is the auxiliary memory. Why your secondary memory is considered as the auxiliary memory? Because of secondary memory is the external storage memory. A secondary memory is the section of the computer memory is the CPU, not a CPU directly accessible. Secondary memory is the permanently storage. The secondary memory is made on a magnetic and optical materials. Secondary memory is the non-volatile in nature. Speed of the slow speed of the computer. A central processing unit. A central processing unit is the full form of the central processing unit. It is the considered as the brain of the computer. The CPU is the the CPU is considered as the hardware component that performs the data input and output and processing and storage of the functions for computer systems. Control. What is control unit? Control unit is referred for the central nervous system. The control is instructions is input where the stored data after receiving the data. Users, it is do not perform actual processing data, is working on the do not actual processing the data. What is arithmetic and logic unit? Well, it is the arithmetic and logic operations is addition, subtractions, division, and gate, or gate, and not gate, and exclusive. Arithmetic is the operations, such kind of additions, subtractions, multiplication, division, and or get, not get, and exclusive. It is the place where and actual executions the instructions takes place during processing operations. It is take place where the actual executions, um, what will executions instructions takes place during processing operations. What is output unit? The output unit consider as the send to the data another devices or user. The example of the output unit: printer, CPUs, uh, G, GPS devices, headphone, and computer speaker.